Yeah. Hayi lama simba wama props at the back. Ama room divider wabo sleep talk. Nama props, nama lights. Yeah, you see me now. I'm here now. I'm at the bank. Yeah, Emtee is broke. Yeah, I'm broke. You think I came to fill up the space on this chair of the bank? I'm back now. I let you talk your shit for months. Now I'm back now. High as fuck. That's all you know. When someone is talking the truth, you say they are high. Because you are used to fakeness. You are fake yourself. You are used to fake leaders, fake politicians, fake everything. When a real nigga comes, you say they are high. You fake ass nigga. You are even using an Android, I'm sure. Awuna Vans, Awuna AllStar, Jikijiki. We are used to those ones. When a real nigga comes, yeah, he's high. Yeah, he's not normal. Yeah, he's crazy. You know crazy people. Your uncle is crazy. You know crazy people. They don't look this handsome. In your hood, you don't know. You know the crazy person in your hood. Do you think they look this handsome? Hey. Antolovela. Awuna Vans, Awuna AllStar, Jikijiki. I'm back now. I'm back now. I'm tired of seeing my nation go into shambles. Fake leaders, fake freedom fighters, fake slave queens, fake what? Fake influencers. I'm the real artist. Yeah, I didn't wake up one morning and say, hey, I have 1,000 followers, let me DJ. Hey, Antolovela. You see where I am? You can say anything. Yeah. Yeah, he's high. Yeah. High in a bank. I'm high inside the bank. You are sitting where? I don't even know. Sugar Daddy's couch. I'm back now. I'm causing havoc. Rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle, man. Rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle. Oh, look at my skin. It's glowing. My eyes, they are not red. How can you say I'm high? When I'm high, you'll know. I'm not like you. I'm not scared to admit when I'm high. When I'm high, you'll know. And I'll smoke it in front of your face. Yeah. Even now. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. 30 million under the mattress. Yeah. Shout out to my brother Jackson. Yeah, he gonna up that fire on your pussy, man. Yeah, man, you niggas better stop playing with me, man. Jackson gonna up that fire on your pussy ass, man. For real. All love from LA. Shout out to LA. Shout out to LA where it's always sunny. Yeah, just like Durban. Yeah, people in the bank looking at me funny. Yeah. I like that shit. Shout out to Ghana. Ghana in the house. Yeah. It's still cooling, man. It's still cooling. Hey, when I'm high, you'll know. Pela Kilitaro. I smoke my weed on live. Right now, I'm chilling. I haven't smoked yet. I'm still yet to smoke. Yeah, Zaza packs on deck. Yeah, y'all keep smoking them sticks and stones, man. I smoke nyaupe, beat your mama, smoke nyaupe. Beat your mama on crack, cocaine, and nyaupe. How about that, bitch? Yeah. On phone grade. Ola. Ik zeg Hamburg. Ik zeg kippenhandler. Ja, ngisuka. Ngiyazibonela mina. See my eye. See eye. See eye. I don't white like this. When I'm high, you know. Phela ke lithabini. Sorry, I have eczema. Shout out to Awuna. Alimbukenyo. Louisiana in the building, yeah. Louisiana. Hello.
Hi.
Just feeling. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So can I come and do your makeup?
Makeup. Makeup how? Makeup artist. Oh, makeup singer.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You can come.
Yeah.
Nice seeing you.
Good seeing you too. Thank you.
Sharp, baby.
Thank you. We just left the bank. We are walking lick. Yeah. We are walking lick. Come rob us, pussy ass niggas. Huh? I ain't got that thing on me though. Yeah, but I set a spell on your bitch ass. Yeah.
Where are you now?
I ain't got that fire on me. But I cussed a spell on your bitch ass, nigga. Told my brother we gon' ride till the wheels fall off, we gon' ride. Till the wheels fall off, we gon' ride. Told my brother we gon' slide till the wheels fall off, we gon' ride. Yeah. Huh? You wanna say something? Yeah. we gon' ride.
Hey, I'm
Nayazile. Export.
AllStar.
Jikijiki. Tone Gucci. Nayazile. Export. You need a feature? Hey, how much I cost for a feature, man? I don't even know.
50,000.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Put up a 50, man. Put up a 50 ball, man. Put up a 50 ball, man. You might get yourself a 16, man. Yeah, man. What up, nigga? Yeah, pull up. Yeah, man, you know. Show love, you get shown love. Come with that bullshit, you get that smoke. Yeah, man, shout out my dog right here. Yeah, shout out my dog.
For life.
Yeah.
Sure.
Send a shout out to the peoples in PTA.
Sure, mafito ba go sani sa itiki brain a show ke na le bra Emtee ka mo di AllStar la mitsi la mutlella bo di sponsor.
Yeah. The most space, yeah, man. You know where I'm at. You just heard my dog talk, man. You know where I'm at. Frederick. It's wild. What we waiting on?
Waiting on this one.
Man's dropped the location, I don't give a fuck. None of y'all niggas gonna do shit. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Straight up. My dog told me stay in the whip. I said, fuck that. I'm trying to be outside. Niggas ain't finna do shit, man. Cause I come with that love. feel me? I come with that love. You a dumb motherfucker if you trying to do something to me because I came to you with some love, nigga. Stupid ass nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, I'm in PTA right now showing love. Ain't no nigga finna do shit. I ain't come out here strapped. I ain't come out here looking for no trouble, man. Khuluma kahle ufusegwe ngubani okutshelayo ukuthi ukhulume kanjani. Khuluma ngewe ufuna ukukhuluma ngakhona ongazama utshela abantu ukuthi bakhulume kanjani. Nyanya kanti. As I was saying, nigga, before I was disrupted by that pussy ass nigga trying to get me to talk how you want me to talk. I was saying, nigga, yeah, nigga, I come with that peace. Yeah, straight up. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, rest in peace on my.
Well, you're there, homies. What is happening? That video post. Off the data. He's off the data.